Subscribe my YouTube channel Technical Worlds King.
Hello friends, I am Kishan and you watching my YouTube channel Technical Worlds King. Dear friends, in this video we will know how to download Omegle application. So let's begin start video without any late. First we will go to Chrome browser and search and type here Omegle APK, and here you can see first download website links here is showing. So now this will be click on it and this is open, and here you can see download option, and now click it and again so download the APK and click on it here. So here you can will click on download option, and now let's begin start download and complete download in few seconds. Now we will click on open option and it will be open and install, and here you can see installing started, and few seconds this will be installed simply, and here you can hit successful. Now we will click on done, and now we will go to mobile desktop, and here you can see installed successfully Omegle application. Now I will open it, and here you can see. Dear friends, in this video we will not tell you how to it work and how to use it, because I hope you will know. So if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and nice comment on my this video.